Are you looking for how to rank on Google and how to rank on YouTube with your YouTube videos? Specifically, how to rank on YouTube search in your YouTube videos, which then also leads you to rank on Google? Then you are in the right place, because I'm going to show you what I have been doing over the past 9 years that has helped me to be on the first page of both Google and YouTube in the search results. Now, there are other key factors to making your videos gain views and subscribers beyond search, so don't think that SEO is the end all, but it definitely helps. As long as you're making relevant, good quality videos that are either answering the question or entertaining your viewers, then that is half the battle right there. And the second half of it is the SEO to help the search engines find your videos and therefore promote your videos on the first pages of Google and on the first pages of the search results for YouTube. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples, and then I'm going to share with you the steps that I use to do this. So the very first video that went viral for me was my how to bake a cake video, this one right up here. And you can see I posted it 9 years ago. It's got 4.6 million views on it already. It has earned me over $7,000 just from one video on Google Ads, which is pretty cool. And especially since I uploaded this video without any intention on making money on the video 9 years ago. So that was pretty cool. And I accidentally ranked right here on the very top search results of YouTube, and also in the very top search results here on Google. So as you can see on the Google page, they first do some ads and they have some recipes there, but then here are the videos and there I am. And that is amazing. That is free targeted traffic to my YouTube videos, which then I can use to drive free traffic to my website. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, like I said, I did that accidentally. I accidentally happened to give the search engines exactly what they needed. And I started to earn some views and some ad revenue, which was amazing. Then I learned exactly what I was doing, and I was able to optimize it with special SEO tools that I use. And now I can do it intentionally. So here are a couple of examples. My mocha buttercream icing recipe. Now this one is a little further down. It is, so you've got the ads here, and then you've got 3 videos. I'm in the 4th position. Now this alternates, but that is pretty darn good for a video that I uploaded 9 years ago. And on Google, you can see I'm actually listed right away in the very first videos. And that's the beautiful thing about Google. Google actually owns YouTube, and therefore Google wants to promote YouTube videos above any other kind of video. And so if you give YouTube and Google what they want, Google will list your videos there for free, which is amazing. So yes, if you were to type in how to make mocha buttercream frosting for a cake, then this is what you would get, and you'd see me right there. Now, let's move away from cakes and icings, and let me show you a couple of other of our videos that I've done this with. So this is my daughter's video, and if you were to search for Barbie car, Volkswagen Beetle toy, then you'll find Xanthi's video right here in 2nd place. And on Google, she's right in the top position here on the Google search for videos, which is amazing. And again, this is from 2013, so this is from a long time ago, and yet it is holding the top positions. And then let's try a different niche. This one is how to make your own board game. And you can see here are my kids right here at the top on YouTube, and right here on the top on Google. Again, pretty cool. Or actually, no, not on top. This one is a couple of videos down, 3 videos down on YouTube. And then here's another example. My son did a video, how to clean a sticky frog toy, which ranked right here, right on the very top of YouTube, and right in the very top here on Google. Pretty cool. And then another one, I did a video telling the differences between Kartra versus GrooveFunnels, which are the 2 website platforms that I use to build my websites. And right there in the 3rd position on YouTube and on Google, let me just have the page refresh, right there in the 1st position on YouTube, on Google. Pretty cool. So then I switched it around. Let's, instead of Kartra versus GrooveFunnels, let's check out GrooveFunnels versus Kartra. There's my 2nd video right there in 3rd position, and on 3rd and 4th positions here. You can see it's actually, this video is on 4th and my other video is in 3rd position there. Pretty cool. And then if we look up Jeff Walker, product launch formula reviews, I am not right in the very top. I am 3 videos down right here, but look, 1, 2, 3. So I have the first 6 positions, so 6, 5, 4 positions on YouTube, and in Google search, I'm actually in the very 2 top positions there. Pretty cool. And one last example, this one is GrooveFunnels a pyramid scheme? I did a review on that, and right there, very first top position. So people pay money to be up here in the ads. These are listed for free, and they actually earn me money instead, which is so much cooler. And then on Google, again, you can see right in the top 2 listings are my videos there. So that is pretty amazing. Now, how did I do that? Well, what I use, and I'll show you here, this is a special template that I use, and I'm actually going to give it to you for free. You can print this off. There's a bit of information about how to make sure your videos are going to rank well. But then this is the promotion checklist and the video upload checklist that I use every time. So you can print this off and then check off all these things as you go through each video. Plus, I'm doing a free masterclass, and I'm going to go really deep into each one with specific examples. And you are very welcome to join me on that. So let me show you where you can do that. All right, so if we head on over to cleverdough.com/video-upload-checklist, you can download my checklist for free and print it off. And then all you need to do is every single time you upload a video to YouTube that you want to rank on YouTube and rank on Google, you make sure you follow the SEO guidelines that I have in there. And all you need to do is let me know where to send it, and you are good as gold. Now, you are also welcome to join me on the Masterclass, where I am going to go really deep into each of those levels. Plus, I'm going to share how to create videos that people actually want to watch and share. That is a key. Plus, how to create a bingeable channel, how to promote your videos for free, how to rank your videos in YouTube, and how to rank your videos in Google search engines, how to earn YouTube ad revenue from your videos, and how to drive free targeted traffic to your own websites. I am going to do this live in, 21 hours from now, but don't worry if you're too late for this live recording. I will create a replay and have that available for you as well. But if you want to get on the live, do that. Make sure you sign up for that. Just let me know where to send you the invite. And then you can actually ask your specific questions, and I can answer those during the masterclass. I hope you found that really helpful. Again, my name is Amanda Vandergulik. I teach entrepreneurship skills for families, teaching you how to turn your passions into passive income. And I'm really excited to help you learn how to rank your videos for free on YouTube and how to rank your videos on Google in the search engines so that you're on the first page. All right, so after you have downloaded your free Google and YouTube upload checklist, check out this video next, where I'll walk you through the upload tips and the checklist so that you have a better understanding of it. Thank you for your time today. I will see you in this video next.